Hello there, and welcome to a very quick video called How to Do Anything for the channel that I haven't uploaded a video in 10 days. Subscribe. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to shift your knob into the reverse. See? Reverse. It's in park currently, but I'm going to soon shift it into reverse. All you gotta do is hold it, and you follow the path to the spot. There you go. Now my foot is on the brake, so that's why nothing's happening and I'm not moving. If I wanted to put it in drive, you would go right there. It is now in drive. Just have to move it. Bada bing, bada boom. It's now back in park. We are safe. And we can all go about our lives feeling fulfilled. Or something like that. And thank you for watching. Subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.